Scatman's World.
Bella raga, ciao a tutti, Madre, Phoenix Golden State Warriors, abbiamo partito per scaricare il 2 zone, ho messo 8 minuti del suo tempo, vediamo un po'.
Let's go time, check in.
È il momento di andare, vai Cumen. Se voglio assolutamente avere qualche chance di rimanere a Phoenix, devo assolutamente fare bene queste ultime due partite. 2-5 Phoenix, 1-2 Golden State. Oracle Harry.
Yeah, the high quality shots were few and
Harry.
far between for them, and they have nobody to blame but themselves. They need to work a lot harder to get good shots today. Because you know
Ok.
Sports. Last year, Steph Curry was actually voted as the most trustworthy player in the league.
Beh, ragazzi, questa sfertona comediana.
There's the screen.
Il blocco.
Bledsoe outside. Just 5 on the clock. Here's the prodigy.
È duro questo e il Cumen la sbaglia.
The Warriors taking it the other
Brutto errore
way.
di Veneziano.
what a start they've gotten off to on the glass. I mean, they come out banging.
When the game starts off like this, there's an intimidation factor that comes into play.
Andiamo di alzare la china anche in classifica.
And Bledsoe has it in the corner. Here's Morris.
Ok. Madonna, ma che tiro è Curry.
Curry's got his third rebound on the
Decollare Veneziano.
outside Green. Curry dishes to it up. Outside Green.
Green.
A shot by Thompson. No one's around.
Bello. Triplone di Golden State.
Thompson's got a pair of threes now in the first
No.
Here's the prodigy.
No, palla persa di Veneziano, incredibile.
Outside Green. Here's Thompson. Good.
Pessima stoppata, molto bene.
In the game.
Inizio non positivo nella prima trasferta comediana.
And the officials have called the
Non posso fare questo gioco, Morris è una merda, Morris.
Good work from him over the last 10 games. He's averaging 15 points per game, 4 assists, 3 rebounds. I'll tell you what, he's been scary good over that run of games.
Per poco, rush.
Usual brand of stellar offense.
Green.
Building on.
And Steve, you know that's not easy to do considering the high level he already
Green.
plays at on an everyday basis.
Ragazzi, qua stanno recuperando tutto, non ci credo.
Special. Excellent ball movement there, guys.
Entra il Cumen, è
I think
disastro.
that's what's keyed this run, Mark, because they're keeping the ball moving. Defense hasn't been able to set up.
A prodigy passes to Thomas. Here's the prodigy.
Ma che dura che ha te.
Now, here is Morris. 11 points in the game. The Suns need to get a shot off. And he gets it to go. Tolliver's got his first points of the game. Here is Livingston. 7-point differential. In the corner, Rush with it.
E la stoppata di Veneziano. Prima jump session. Colombiana.
29 seconds left in the first quarter. Here's the prodigy. There's the pick. And Thomas has it in the corner. Shot clock at 6.
Bellissimo.
Gets it to go on the assist by Thomas.
Perché la vinciamo
And
questa.
now a 9-point
Perché la vinciamo,
lead.
Belbe.
Here is Livingston. The dish to Rush.
Rush.
He kicks it to Barnes. That's good. Barnes has got his first bucket of the night.
Got a little room at the rim and laid
Tira.
Great.
Non la tira, vabbè, comunque 29 Phoenix, 22 Golden State.
Free and easy.
Veneziano 2 February. Continuiamo così, ragazzi.
And now, the Warriors.
Cazzo, Golden State è in vantaggio e mancano 2 minuti.
Comes in for Barnes. Thompson, he's checked in for Brandon Rush. And Curry subbed in for Sean Livingston. Setting the floor for
Merda,
the Suns.
cosa ha fatto? Curry va a sbagliare.
In at point guard. Anthony Tolliver out there with Marcus Morris. Then it's PJ Tucker. And it's Bledsoe.
Inter, mi fanno un assist. Mamma mia che squadra.
Really ugly, guys. I mean, he can't get anything to go. It wasn't too long ago that the Suns were selling first-round picks.
Golden State comincia una lenta ma costante fuga.
The Prodigy passes to Tucker. Here's the Prodigy.
Tucker. Lo spazio.
Here's the Prodigy. Bledsoe outside.
Vai, ti prego. E cagare ora.
Here's Tolliver.
Mamma mia che squadrazza, mamma che squadrazza.
Hogan's got his third rebound on the night. A drive by Iguodala. Outside Curry. Curry with another miss. And the push for new talent in Phoenix really seen from top to bottom.
Se non riesco a superarli,
Vai,
tripla, ti prego, metti la sera solo rete! Assist meraviglioso del Cumen, dai, piano piano. Fallo del Cumen, dai, buon fallo.
So the whistle blows on the shot and 2 free throws for the contact right there.
It's early, but you can already make a
che bella partita questa con 42 Phoenix, 44 Golden.
It's a combination of his ability to hit shots, but also his ability to create zones.
Come ragiona.
To have both those abilities.
Here's the Prodigy.
Come si butta, fallo di Curry.
Missing the shot, he'll shoot 2. They get Stephen Curry.
E vai, libero andato. Draft non scelto.
Yeah, you know, this is going to be debated by people for a long time, and I don't know where the answer is going to land. But Curry definitely is in the equation already with his resume and record-breaking three-point shooting.
Silenzio. Curry mi ha fatto un numero.
It was a slow start for him. And he started to take off when we hit the second quarter, guys.
Here's the Prodigy, guarded by Curry.
Come si butta?
All the defender had to do there was just stay close to him, and he did.
Here's Thompson. He goes up again, and the layup good by Curry.
Ho preso, vado di brutto giù.
Dai. 5 now for the Warriors.
And as the game has gone along,
C più purtroppo, non bene, vai Cumen. Vogliamo la jump session.
Passing the boards is really an effort thing. It's an attitude and effort thing.
Mamma mia che stoppata che ho preso.
Take a break on crashing the boards, but they've done just the opposite.
Again, Curry missing.
Secondo quarto da dimenticare. È dura ragazzi, è veramente dura.
All right, listen closely, man. I've got a few things to touch on.
Scusate, ma mi stai venuto il cazzo.
And now the start of the second half. Different look here for the Warriors. Green
Più 12 Golden State.
Harrison Barnes comes in for Andre Iguodala. And in rush, he's checked in for Klay Thompson. And it's Livingston in for Steph Curry. Barnes and Green, the forward tandem. Rush out there with Livingston, and it's Spates in at the 5 down low. So that's the group out there for Golden State. Barnes against Dragic, and that one's good. Barnes.
Timeout.
Got 6.
Boy, what a half from the field they're having. They're going to extend that lead if they stay this high.
Entra come playmaker. E adesso ragazzi, per cortesia,
for Brandon Rush.
ho bisogno della percezione della vita di Veneziano.
The Prodigy, he's checked in for Goran Dragic. Outside Thomas. Passes it to the Prodigy. They set the pick. Inside.
Bravo,
Off the pick.
Niente da fare, anche gli altri ci sono, ma nessuno me li mette.
Livingston kicks the green.
Prende solo.
And it's good. Assisting on the play with Livingston. Livingston's got 4 assists in the game. Phoenix Suns come into this one following a loss to the Bulls.
And Kevin, when you don't take advantage of your trips to the free throw line, which they definitely did not, it's tough to recover from.
Dai,
It
mettila.
sure is. I mean, they left a lot of cheese and lettuce at that foul line.
Not to mention some ham and turkey.
Ragazzi, ancora che mi
Kicks
scappa.
to Livingston. Spates sets a screen. An easy
Ormai Golden State è in fuga. Avevo detto purtroppo. Siamo una squadra mediocre, ragazzi. Alleluia, bravo.
So far, going for more of an inside game here in this second half, and I like that. A little smash mouth basketball, taking it inside.
Curry dishes to Barnes. Green with a screen for Barnes. Beats to Green. No one near him.
No.
Again, Golden State.
Great looking bounce.
Maledetto, torniamo a C.
Here's the prodigy. Out to the right wing. Plumlee, the pass to the prodigy.
Bravo, commettilo! Sì!
That one's good.
No matter what they've tried, the D just has not been able to deny them the ball.
Dai che si ragiona un pochino di più.
So critical part because whenever they have gotten the ball into the paint, it's resulted in points, it seems like.
Un po' comincia a girare, a macinare.
Green up on top. 12 points for him. Here's Barnes. Shot is off, and Phoenix will come the other way.
This quarter has not been his best. The defense may be starting to affect him a little bit.
No, ma che scandali che abbiamo.
Good ball movement.
Buon movimento di palla, grazie.
That was a good ball.
Spates checked in for the Warriors.
Ok, 74-98, disastro puro, però dai. Per ora non sto giocando, va bene, ho fatto 4 punti e 3 ass.
Inside, it's Morris and Plumlee. Dragic is out there at Bledsoe. And it's Tucker in at the free throw. Iguodala gets to Curry.
Carry.
Back to Iguodala.
Iguodala. Igo.
Iguodala, right side.
Okay.
And again, no good by Golden State.
They've been able to get out to this lead without really getting a very reliable.
È entrato come playmaker. Cerchiamo di fare un buon ultimo quarto minuto e 56 abbiamo.
And it's rush in for Steph Curry. They set the pick. The prodigy passes to Plumlee.
Molto culo.
Here's the prodigy.
Triplore da casa mia. Bello, un bel tiro proprio. Niente.
Golden State's gotten off 4 3-pointers in the final
mattone
quarter.
obeso.
2 of them have fallen. There's a minute 34 left in the fourth. Livingston dishes to Spates. Elbow shot.
Bello. Mamma mia, cosa ha messo.
Completely outclassing the other
Mamma mia,
team.
cosa ha
Spirited
messo.
performance, and it really ignited what is turning out to be a monster win here for the Warriors.
Steve, you know, you don't see this kind of a blowout often. But tonight, this is a quality win across the board to deliver out this kind of punishment.
Well, you know what? I thought they did a nice job of playing against the game. They kept the pressure on and clearly were dominating every area.
And this will make it 36 wins on the year for them.
Well, as we get closer to making this one official, we can safely say it's been a very one-sided season series.
Noi siamo su Livingston.
First 2 meetings.
With 2 more to go
All'inizio è
before the end of the season,
veramente
they'll
dura.
obviously be very confident heading into those 2 games.
Barnes can't get it to go.
Bravi.
Phoenix has gone ice cold from 3-point land.
Facciamo una giocata degna del
They set the pick. 36 seconds left to play in the final quarter. 5 on the clock. The prodigy passes to Tolliver.
Che culo, dai, manco male.
Shot clock expires.
Quarto assist Cumendiano, buono, buono, buono.
They've been doing a great job of sharing the ball.
Excellent display of team play.
Steve, I know you love great teamwork.
Yeah, so much fun to watch when the ball is moving.
It's a rush.
There's kind of a rhythm to the game. It just happens. The ball moves almost on its own. Yeah, but it's fun to watch.
Carry. Bravi.
With the steal.
Dai contropiede. Dai contropiede.
Here's the prodigy.
Bravo Cume. E solo 5 assist.
Intelligent passing there to
Molto
make that hoop
bene.
possible.
Abbiamo perso, ma come alla fine riuscito a rispettarsi.
How much to be critical of this one?
Facciamo l'ultima partita, ragazzi. L'ultima partita decisiva per le sorti del Commendatore. Raga, non sono
Veneziano. Veneziano, lo youtubers italiano. Veneziano, lo youtubers italiano.